2 enemies warping in, Captain.
Red
They're
alert,
powering up
shields
their
up.
weapon systems.
Here we go again.
Their forward shield has failed. Sir, they have hull breaches on multiple decks.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed. Target disabled. Sir, that's
Target
the
hull
last.
integrity at
I believe we're in the
25%.
clear.
That was not really the kind of party I was expecting.
Standard orbit. Aye, sir.
Aye, Captain. All stations, damage report.
Impulse engines are fully functional. Warp engines fully functional, Captain.
Phaser array is fully functional. Torpedo system is fully functional, Captain. Tractor beam is fully functional, Captain.
Sensor system is fully functional.
Hull integrity at 100%. Shields
Entering
are at
standard
100%.
orbit.